How to buy ExoSpirits token. Now this token came under the symbol of scrolls, and this token it's not released yet. They will do an airdrop later. So the only solution to buy this token is by collecting their tokens for now. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So if you click on the official website to collect the token, as you can see, you will be able to redact this page. Now, as you can see, click on connect. As you can see, select your wallet. For example, I will use the MetaMask. Now click on connect. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds and click on explore. Now you need, as you can see, to confirm this. So after you confirm this, as you can see, here you will be able to see the points that you collect. So after that, you will be able to see here your tokens, and you can now, if you want to to withdraw them after that. So this is how to buy scrolls token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.